If someone called you right now and it sounded exactly like your grandchild saying they were in trouble and needed money, would you know if it was real? Because that call, it might be AI, and it's happening to Canadians every single day. I'm Tech with Bumi, a digital educator based right here in Regina, Canada. I work specifically with old adults to help them stay safe in a world where technology is moving faster than most of us can keep up with. And lately, the number one thing I'm seeing, AI powered scam targeting seniors. Here is what changed. Scammers used to be pretty easy to spot. Bad grammar, weird phone numbers, something felt off. Not anymore. Today, with artificial intelligence, they can clone your family member's voice using just a few seconds of audio from social media. They can create fake videos that looks completely real. They can write emails and texts that can perfectly personalized with your name, your bank, even your doctor's name. Canadians over 60 lost over $100 million to fraud last year alone, and that number is growing. But here is the good news. You don't need to be tech expert to protect yourself. A few simple habits can stop most of this scam cold. Things like creating a family code words that only real family members will know, knowing how to verify a call before you act on it, understanding what AI can and cannot fake yet. These are skills I teach in plain, simple language. No jargons, no judgment, just practical tools you can use starting today. I'm hosting a free workshop right here in Regina for adults who want to feel more confident, more protected online. We will cover exactly how this scam works, how to spot them, and what to do if you or someone you love get targeted. It's free, it's friendly, and you do not need to be tech savvy to attend. The link to register is on my bio, or you find it in the description, okay, below this video. Spots are limited, so grab yours now. And if you know a parent, grandparent, neighbors, or friend who could use this, please share this video. It could genuinely protect someone you love. I'll see you there. Cheers. Bye for now.